Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mobile wallet app. To begin, locate the pre-installed wallet application on your smartphone, often found on the home screen or in your app drawer. Open the app to start the setup process. You will typically be prompted to agree to terms and conditions and set up a secure method for authenticating payments, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. This initial setup is crucial for secure transactions. Once your wallet is set up, adding your payment cards is straightforward. Tap the plus sign or Add Card button within the app. You can choose to scan your physical credit or debit card using your phone's camera, which automatically fills in most details. Alternatively, you can manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Your bank will then verify the card, often by sending a one-time code. Making a payment with your mobile wallet is incredibly simple and fast. At checkout, look for the contactless payment symbol, which resembles 4 curved lines. When ready to pay, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. Your default card will usually be selected automatically. You will then confirm the transaction using your chosen security method, like a fingerprint, Face ID, or a 4-digit PIN. Mobile wallets offer robust security features, making them a very safe way to pay. Your card details are encrypted and tokenized, meaning a unique one-time code is used for each transaction instead of your actual card number. This significantly reduces the risk of fraud. Beyond security, you'll enjoy the convenience of faster checkouts and the ability to carry fewer physical cards, streamlining your daily transactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.